to show you another virgin hair unit. This unit is from a company called Jackson Wig. I will definitely leave a link to the hair and to the company in the information box down below, so be sure to check that out if you're interested in the unit. And yeah, just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this is the box that the unit comes in. It's from a company called Jackson Wig. It's 100% human hair. When you get your unit, it will be in a plastic Ziploc bag, but I already took mine out. And you do get a wig hairnet as well. So this is what the unit looks like. It's really, really pretty. It has really nice loose waves in it, loose curls. Can't remember if it's a body wave or a loose curl, but I will leave that information in the information box down below. It looks like the hairline is already like pre-plucked for you, so that looks really good. It is a lace frontal unit, so you do have your lace at the front and your track stitched in the back. You have your adjustable straps and your comb, and then you have 3 combs at the top. I did just go ahead and add foundation in here. I didn't bleach the knots. This unit does look like it also has baby hairs already on it. So I am going to go ahead and take this unit off. If you like this wig, I will leave a link to this unit as well, so you can check this one out. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop this one on. Jackson Wig. Let me turn around so you can look at this wig from all sides. Is really pretty. I feel like the density could definitely be a little thicker for my taste. I definitely would like it a little slightly bit fuller, but I'm loving this hairline. I feel like the hairline is really, really natural looking. The shipping was quick and the customer service was really good. This is my first time wearing the wig, so I can't really talk about shedding or tangling just yet. I do plan on wearing this wig. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram. That is where you can keep up with my wigs and how these wear tests are going. I rarely ever come back and do a review, a full-on review on my channel, but you will catch me watching wearing the units on my Instagram and on my stories on Facebook. So definitely check me out over there. Everywhere is at Jess the Dragoness, so you can check out how this hair is wearing, and you can also always ask me questions on there as well. But I really definitely like the hair. I think it's pretty. I'm going to spritz it with just a little bit of gloss just to give it a nice shine. I do think that that makes a difference. But yeah, this unit is very, very pretty. So you guys let me know what you think of this unit. I think it's really, really beautiful. I will leave a link to this hair in the information box down below. And yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos.